Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to do a very quick base video tutorial just to show you some things I use in a daily basis. So to start, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Base. Just a few spritz and let it sit for a little. And for foundation, I'm using the Skin Tone foundation from Kiko. Just using 1.5 pumps. So as a everyday makeup, I don't do a very high coverage thing because I want to look kind of natural. So not going too heavy with this. Yeah, and I used another half pump, so maybe 2 pumps it's enough. I'm doing this base to another video that it's probably gonna be up on my channel already by the time you watch this. Just blend it all the way. Now for concealer, I'm using the Essence Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer under the eyes. And just cover some spots. And I'm just using my foundation brush to blend it. Yeah, I think it's okay. So next, I'm using the Velvet Touch Cream Stick Blush from Kiko. It's in the shade 02. It's this shade. And I'm gonna blend it with my finger. On this side it's a little too much, so I'm just using the foundation brush again to tone it down, and it's good. For bronzer, I'm using the Berange makeup bronzer in the shade Soleil Dore. I don't know if it's the way you pronounce it. Oh, first, it's not bronzer, it's powder. And my everyday go-to, it's the Essence Mattifying powder in the shade Soft Beige. So it's just a very simple powder. Focus a little bit more in the places you got the concealer. And especially I have mixed skin. It's kind of oily down the T-zone and dry on some other areas, so just get it, especially in the places you get oily. So now there's the bronzer. So again, the Berange Cosmetics. I'm gonna do kind of a very soft contour. This is a brush from Primark. It's very good quality and it was cheap, so gets the job done for a low price. That's very good. So this is kind of the makeup I do in the morning in a hurry, so that's why I'm rushing through it. I'm gonna do my brows. So I'm filling a little bit of the sparser areas with the Kiko Precision Eyebrow Pencil, and it has a kind of half a spoolie. With the pencil, just give it some lighter strokes. My brows are kind of natural, and I like to keep them that way. So now I'm taking again the spoolie to just get it all uniform. I think it's okay. So, and on top of that, I'm using the Essence Make Me Brow in the shade Brownie Brows, just to help them stay put. And now I'm gonna put the eyeshadow primer from Kiko. It's their neutral eye base. A little bit on the finger, onto the lid, and just blend it. And you see that it kind of, let me see if I can get this closer. No. You see that it kind of neutralized the veininess. Putting a little bit more. Oops. So I'm trying to see if it's all blended nicely. I think it is. Yeah, let me just scoot back again. No. So this is the final look for your base if you want a very natural thing. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media. And I will see you next time. Bye!